been told your thyroid is fine, even though you feel like roadkill? Brain fog, fatigue, weight gain, hair loss, depression, and you're still being told your labs are normal. Yeah, no, that's not okay. Because chances are you don't just have a thyroid issue, you have an autoimmune issue. And that, my friend, is a completely different beast. Hashimoto's is the most common cause of hypothyroidism. Yet most people have never even heard the word. Even worse, most conventional doctors don't treat it as the autoimmune condition it is. They just give you a thyroid replacement medication like Synthroid or levothyroxine and maybe run a TSH level and call it a day. But that's like painting over rust. The fire is still burning underneath. Here's the truth. Hashimoto's isn't just a thyroid problem. It's your immune system attacking your thyroid. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please talk with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Now let's get real about this next piece because this one stings. Hashimoto's is technically incurable. But wait, don't click away because while there's no cure, you can absolutely put it in remission. Remission means no symptoms. Labs stabilize. Brain fog lifts. You feel human again. But here's the catch. If you go back to the old ways, gluten, stress, chemical exposure, boom, you flare. Remission is a lifestyle, a strategy, a mindset. Cure? No. Manageable? Absolutely. If you crack your own code. Be sure to check out my free Hormone, Harmony, or Habit quiz in the description below. Let's talk about how Hashimoto's shows up, not just in your neck, but in your entire life. This thing impacts your brain. Hello, forgetfulness. It affects your gut, bloating, constipation, your joints, your energy, your mood. You might feel like you're falling apart, but the labs, they say you're fine. And you start questioning your own sanity. Spoiler, it's not you, it's your immune system. And no, you're not crazy, you're inflamed. Here's the mic drop moment. Taking thyroid meds might help, but it doesn't shut down the autoimmune fire. That's why so many women still feel awful despite being on the right dose. Because you can normalize your labs while your brain is inflamed. Your gut is leaking, your energy is tanked, and your immune system is still on a rampage. That's what we're going to unpack in this series. Hashimoto's is a full body, full time condition. But once you understand it, you can outsmart it. This series is about giving you the puzzle pieces to build your own plan. No fluff, no fads, no one size fits all, just the truth, and the tools to take your power back. Next up, we're digging into why your labs don't tell the whole story. Spoiler, TSH isn't the holy grail you've been led to believe. So hit subscribe, drop a comment if this hit home, and stay tuned. We're just getting started.